Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a helpful workaround if you're experiencing issues with Photoshop's modern file creation interface. If your Create button isn't responding or double-clicking isn't working, this solution will get you back on track in just a few moments. Let's get started. Let me switch over to Photoshop to demonstrate the issue. When I click on New File, you'll notice that the Create button doesn't respond. Even trying to double-click to create a new document isn't working either. Now here's the solution to fix this. Navigate to the Edit menu at the top and then click on Preferences. From the Preferences menu, select General. Here in the General Preferences, you'll find an option called Use Legacy New Document Interface. Simply check this box. Once that's checked, click OK to save your changes. Now, when we click on New File again, Photoshop will open the Legacy Document Creation interface. And from here, you can create new files without any issues. That's all there is to it. This simple setting change gives you access to the reliable legacy interface whenever the modern one isn't working properly. If this tutorial helped you out, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more Photoshop tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.